How to fix Roblox has crashed. Please perform a Windows clean boot. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing Roblox has crashed, please perform a Windows clean boot issue. Then all you want to do is on the search bar search for run. Now you want to type in msconfig and then press enter. Now, once this box opens up, click on the services option. Here, you want to check the box that says hide all Microsoft services. Make sure that you check that box. Then click on disable all. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now you want to click on exit without restart option. After you have done that, the next step is to open up Task Manager. For that, you can head over to your search bar and type Task Manager. Here, you want to click on the Start Up option. Click on the status option to check out all the apps which are enabled. Now right click on that. After that, you want to click on the disable option. Once you have disabled all of that, you want to exit from that window. Now restart your device. After you have restarted your PC or laptop, you want to open the Roblox app and check if your problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.